A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a landmark case, a Guatemalan man identified as O.C.G. has been returned to the United States after a U.S. district judge determined that he was wrongfully deported without due process. This unprecedented move marks the first known instance of the Trump administration complying with a judicial order to bring back a deportee. O.C.G. landed in the U.S. today and immediately made contact with his legal team, expressing his feelings of nervousness, fear, and gratitude for being back. His attorney, Trina Realmuto, who is also the executive director of the National Immigration Litigation Alliance, stated that O.C.G. will likely be taken into government custody as he seeks protection from persecution. O.C.G. had previously sought asylum in the U.S. after suffering multiple violent attacks in Guatemala. He entered the U.S. illegally in March 2024 but was deported shortly thereafter. After returning to the U.S. again last year, he presented himself to Border Patrol for asylum proceedings. An immigration judge ruled in February 2025 that O.C.G. would face serious harm if returned to Guatemala and issued a withholding of removal order. However, just 2 days later, O.C.G. was placed on a bus and sent to Mexico without due process. He had previously been a victim of violence in Mexico, where he was held for ransom and sexually assaulted. The judge's order emphasized that O.C.G.'s removal to Mexico was a violation of his rights and that he was not given the opportunity to explain the dangers he would face. The Justice Department later admitted that the government's account of O.C.G.'s removal was erroneous and that there was no witness to verify their claims. Judge Brian Murphy, who is overseeing this case, has ordered that the government maintain custody of other migrants who were also deported without due process. Realmuto's legal team is currently working to reach out to 8 other defendants who were allegedly flown to East Africa without proper proceedings. The return of O.C.G. not only highlights the complexities of U.S. immigration policy, but also raises questions about the treatment of migrants under the Trump administration. As the legal battles continue, the implications of this case extend beyond O.C.G., potentially impacting numerous other individuals who find themselves in similar situations. O.C.G.'s case serves as a reminder of the ongoing struggles faced by migrants seeking safety and justice in the U.S. and the importance of due process in immigration proceedings. As the nation watches, the outcome of this case could set a precedent for how future deportation cases are handled, especially for those who have been wrongfully removed from the country. The legal community and advocates for immigrant rights are keeping a close eye on developments as the situation unfolds. With the Trump administration facing criticism for its handling of immigration cases, this ruling could be a pivotal moment in the ongoing debate surrounding immigration reform and human rights. The challenges that O.C.G. faced are not isolated. They reflect a broader systemic issue within the immigration system that has left many vulnerable and without protection. As the legal process continues, advocates are hopeful that justice will be served for O.C.G. and others like him, ensuring that their rights are upheld and that they receive the protection they deserve. The story of O.C.G. is a powerful testament to the resilience of individuals seeking refuge and the crucial role that the judiciary plays in safeguarding their rights. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.